I'm Arvind Vasudevan. I'm CEO of formulations of Aurobindo Pharma. We have two businesses. One is about API, other is formulation. So I had formulation business as a CEO. We began as an antibiotic oral and injectable company, migrated to general oral tablets and capsules. But now we're migrating into injectable company, more focus on injectable. But we are already moving into specialty areas of oral and injectable hormones as well as oncology product. And next wave is getting into peptides. We already are on APIs, but we'll migrate peptides into formulation as well. So slowly we're migrating from a general generic company to a specialty generic company. We have overall as a company 16 facilities, of which 5 are formulation. The last 2 came up in last 2 years' time. And we invested close to about $150 million on these last two plants. And we possibly will need one plant every 2 years. So I think investing at least about $50 million will remain as a requirement for us and capacities. Like I said, we are investing into technology like peptides. We are looking at specialty injectable, which are depot release. We're looking at specialty oral, which are sustained release. So R&D investment is a large part, which is close to 4% of our revenue, and we are close to 1,000 scientists working in our R&D labs. So new technology will be an area that we will keep investing in. In last 1 year, we have trained our R&D team on the formulation side on QBD, quality by design. We can say we are 60% onto that. Maybe take a year or so to become 100% QBD based company. The efforts are on that because we know the best way to work is to build up design in the product development as well. We have been on Oracle for a long time, so we have kept investing in newer technologies of Oracle, be it on the financial side, be it on the supply chain side. We will now be, I think, investing more on analytics to look at how do we get more meaning out of data, and that is being done. On specialty side, on the larger product, we are looking at continuous manufacturing as an area, and we began that with a product called metformin. So more work will be on continuous manufacturing so as to have higher throughput as well as lower cost. We are actually large dependencies on US. Half our revenue comes from US. Another quarter comes from Europe, and the balance quarter comes from emerging market and ARV. So we are one of the top 5 companies on HIV product manufacturing. So these are 3 focus areas: US, Europe, and emerging market. All 3 will progress at a good pace, but I think the growth in Europe and emerging market will be higher. The size of US will remain large.